Starting with the S&P 500, you can see that this week we have been in a tight balance area, but on Friday we began to edge towards the upper boundary. We obviously are in a large, multi-month balance area of approximately 300 points, which on breakout could take us upwards to 7,300 or downwards to 6,400. On our own analysis, we see the market having entered back into positive gamma territory, and odds could favor some further upside next week. Next, looking at the Nasdaq, we are building a base here with the upper boundary of this week's value are at 618. With Nvidia earnings this week, running up into them and potentially as high as 627 could be possible. If their earnings are stellar, we could get to 633 as the next target. If things go wrong and we push lower, then 590 is the downside target. Looking at gold and silver, you can see that they are still bounded within the large, daily down move candle. Gold looks the strongest and could upwards to 53.50, but at the moment, the two are burning theta. Switching over to equities, memory and storage still look incredibly strong. Micron is balancing at its highs with earnings coming within a month. SanDisk is behaving similarly, and every dip is bought. Target on a breakout could be as high as 800. Seagate is balancing at its highs with upward target of 500. Western Digital looks stretched relative to the others and has only continued upwards. Some consolidation and sideways movement here would be healthy. ASML is its own beast, building a great balance area, which is supported by strong buybacks. This looks favorable to the upside to 1600. Finally, a name perhaps not at the top of your list is Lowe's. This has been incredibly strong and their earnings are coming this week. It has pulled back to the 20-day SMA after breaking out of a large range. Simple target of 287, but ultimately, if earnings are strong, continuation upwards to 325 wouldn't be unexpected. That's all for this week. Good luck to all and wish you much success.